Sirikal mamalo kod mago ma counties okwa mondo mi olir itgi mondo mi ochiw sir madwarore ne counties ma midhiero mar oula mapek kod mago mag oro osebedo ka rocho ngima jodak magi. E lipot mogol kod riwruok ma ok mag piny owacho kamoriwo Oxfam oyangore ni thoth omenda michwalo ne reso midhiero makamago lalie mibadhi. Counties kaka Nairobi, Tana River, Garissa kod Marsabit chakre higa mar 2021 nyaka higa 2024 oula kod oro ne odaro ji mathoth mokalo kendo midhiero makamagi luorore higa ka higa maonge lokruok maduong'.
Emphasising the importance of the state taking on greater leadership in delivering crisis response, but also addressing structural inequalities, which in Kenya are very significant. If you look across the arid, semi-arid lands, populations there have lack of investment, lack of social support, lack of services, and so you really need to address those underlying inequalities to be able to reduce humanitarian need in the long run.
Humanitarian funding is shrinking. We are seeing huge losses as a result of illicit financial flows and corruption. As much as $1.5 to $1.8 billion annually is lost to these flows. This is 4 or 5 times more than the humanitarian envelope that we receive every year. This is a contradiction that we cannot ignore. Without tackling corruption and inequality, there is no amount of aid, whether increasing or decreasing, which will fundamentally shift this narrative around vulnerability.
Ma en Ramogi TV to magi gin weche manyien mag migago wadhi yweyo mokwongo to kapok adhi